Yo, what's up? Today, I'm going to talk about how I crashed this guy, my DJI Mavic Pro, but more importantly, how I rescued it, because I think it's pretty fun. So I've had this drone for probably like 2 years now, and it's been really good to me despite all the abuse that I've put it through. So the shoot that I was using this drone for was a real estate shoot. It was a video for these people who were trying to sell their house. Their house is like this really nice old church farmhouse kind of thing. It's from like the 1800s, and it's in like this really nice like farm, kind of scenic area. It's really pretty. So I go there, I do the first 2 batteries, I bust out all the shots you want to get, and the 3rd battery is where I always have fun. So in the 3rd battery, I'm flying along and I'm like, alright, the scene is so nice here, I'm going to come in pretty quick, do like a nice like circular orbit, right? Something like really nice around the house. Show off the scenery, but also get like a nice rounded kind of picture of it. So coming in, it's looking so good, the sun's there, it's just like, it's looking really nice. And then I see what no drone pilot ever wants to see. I see a tree branch right on the right side of the drone. And at that point, I can't do anything. I try to let go of the sticks, try to bring it back, nothing happens, and we are lodged in the tree. So I look, I can't really see the drone, and then I look at the phone and it says that it's 115 feet in the air. And I know that we're gonna have a bad time getting this thing out of the tree. So I'm looking at it, and there's no way I can climb that high. There's no way we have a ladder that high. We would need like 4 ladders in a row. It's just not looking safe. It's not looking good. And then I remember this thing I saw online. Now, I don't remember if it was a picture or a video, but basically it was someone who got their own Mavic stuck on a power line, and then they used a second Mavic to lift it off with like some kind of a loop hook thing. I'm like, I know a guy. He might bring his Mavic over. Maybe we can make this happen. So I call Brandon. I'm like, Brandon, listen, I crashed my drone. I'm going to need some help. For little to no reward and maximum risk, will you bring your Mavic 2 Pro to where I am right now? We're going to use it to rescue my drone. Oh, yeah, no problem. And that was it. And this part's really important. So if you guys don't fly drones, this isn't the right controller, but let's imagine it is. The left stick controls your altitude. Up is up, down is down. Another important thing is that these drones, when they're landing, they use the bottom vision sensors to detect when there's a surface. So when there's a surface, like say a foot away, and you're holding down on that stick, it goes landing and drops. So Brandon's on the way. I rig up this like clothes hanger loop thing to like actually hook my drone with it. We take this ribbon and we strap it to his drone, and we're ready to rock. It's like getting dark now. It's really hard to see. I have like anyone who was around for the shoot trying to like point me in the right direction, left, right, I can't see anything. It's super dark. So I get his Mavic right above mine, and it's kind of like maybe a foot or 2 off when it comes to like the loop part. Well, when I was trying to get the loop a little bit lower, I hear the noise. No. No. Oh my God. And I look down on the iPad and it says that it's landing. I panic. I cancel the landing. I look up, and the hoop, the loop that we made is like swinging, and it just catches on the leg of my drone. The loop is on, I throttle straight up, and it just lifts the thing right out of the tree branch like it's nothing. Well, and then my drone slips off because it was a metal coat hanger on this like plastic slippery thing, and my drone falls like, whatever that is, like 15 stories down.
Everybody got damaged, but that's okay, guys. We fucking got it down, baby! We got it down, baby!
But it didn't smash, and it lived to get here. But that's it, basically. I got Brandon's drone down. My drone came down, kind of, and no one lost their equipment that day. So if you don't lose your equipment that day, it's a good day, and it definitely was a fun story. Guys, all the way down to the comment section, leave a like down below if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want to see any more, because I'm trying to make these and it's kind of fun. So come along and let's hang out and chat and stuff. And that's about it for this one. So hope to catch you guys in the next video. Take it easy. Yo, before I cut it, quickly, for those guys who are watching to the end screen, how cool is this? Look, it's you. Look, also, I got a Rhino slider. Got the A7R2 hooked up on the Rhino slider right now. How sweet is that stuff? Anyways, calling it. See you guys in the next one.